Welcome! So somebody requested I make a everyday carry video, so let's talk about the stuff I carry on me. So let's go from right side to left. First off, we have a hinderer. This is an investigator pin in blue. Sorry if the colors aren't working the best, but you unscrew the top right here, and you have a Fisher Space Pen insert. We have my Oakley half jackets that got scratched up when I was hiking the Appalachian Trail. So I'm going, well, you can see right in there. Right there. Tons of little scratches. So, going to have to get some new Oakleys or some new sunglasses. But these were the half jackets. We have a Hinderer 3.5 XM18, S35 VN steel, very nice detint. So, there we go. We have a new addition to my collection, which is a lens light flashlight. Ended up buying this at Blade Show, and I've already dropped it. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. I had it sitting on my lap when I was in a car, got up and fell onto the concrete, so has some places on it now. Fantastic flashlight, 400 lumens and then 5 lumens, and then you can make it so it's compressed, kind of like a mag light. The thing that's great with this, there's no hotspot in the center, so you can use it to read or whatever. I like it. A little bit expensive, but it's a great flashlight. Horrible though if you're going to take it long distance backpacking. It's heavy, really heavy, because it's full, I guess, aluminum, and it's very thick. Don't recommend it for backpacking. Camping is pretty good. Definitely good for if you're in a shelter around people, because the 5 lumens won't wake people up. So, mixed feelings. Don't take it on the Appalachian Trail, just saying. We have the Maxpedition wallet. Carrying my ID right in this pouch right here, or in this little sleeve. Great wallet. Nylon. It's what's it called? Velcro. Not a fan of Velcro, but I put up with it. Okay. Let's talk about this one. It is a double cross by Kershaw, so you can see it has a nail neck as well as a thumb stud. So, you open it up with thumb stud, has a liner lock, so very smooth, and as you can see, it is a Damascus. It's actually a San Mai Damascus, which, that basically means Damascus top with a core of some type of steel. This is actually a San Mai sandwich, so right in there. San Mai 1 steel, I guess the name of it. Reason they call it a double cross, 2 blades. So you have a sheep's foot and a clip point. I believe this is a clip point. Yeah. Okay. Very neat. It's an ebony packerwood with, I believe, brass bolsters. Nickel bolsters. There we go. And it's brass liners. That's what it is. Got this from Blade HQ. I bought it for $69.95. And then a week later, they dropped the price down to $59.95. I actually bought 2 of these, so wasted $20 because the price lowered the next week. Yeah, not fun. Oh, still don't regret buying it. Regret buying it the week before. But very nice knife. Carry it in my change pocket. Very, very cool, nonetheless. It is made in Japan. Let's see this. Very cool box as well. Doing a little studying, there's not very many of these out there, actually. For some reason, I feel like there's only 150 of these ever made. But with these released from Blade HQ, these might have been like an overrun. I don't know. So, let's talk about the next item, since I've talked about that for a long time. We have a Nokia slide phone. Pretty boring. I've had this since I was 16. So over 3 years. I'm 19 now. So, very beat up. The battery's starting to go bad. It's a good phone. It slides out and you have all the buttons right there. Not really wanting to show you guys any information. Well, there's no information on the screen anyways. There you go. Yay. Actually, that's the cemetery right there. That was a neat picture that I took. We have a G-Shock watch. You guys have seen this plenty of times. See it again. Yay. One thing I did learn about this, I may have told you guys, there's like this gunk on there. Found out what that was from. DEET. Yeah, the bug spray. So, don't ever use bug spray and get it anywhere near plastic watches or rubber watches or any type of plastic or rubber, because it will melt into it and that will happen. It will give it that gunky feel and basically ruin it. It's a good thing it wasn't a higher concentration of DEET, or it would have completely destroyed this watch. Oh well, lesson learned. Look up some stories about how DEET destroyed people's stuff. I've read a lot of stories online. Not fun. Lastly, we have my handkerchief. Have this in my back pocket to kind of level out my wallet. That's one of the big reasons, honestly, is so I'm not like saying lopsided. That, and I also will occasionally use it for whatever towel type needs I use it for. I don't know. Oh well. So there is my everyday carry. Will occasionally carry my car keys if I drive somewhere, which is usually when you need car keys, but nope, don't need them right now. We'll occasionally change out my main blade, but haven't lately. What I'll sometimes change it out for is a Emerson Horseman. So, there you go. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to be listing a bunch of knives to sell soon. I've needed to list them for a very long time, but I've kind of been lazy and haven't gotten to it. So, I'll try to do that. I have a bunch of stuff to review, especially the hammock. I'll be out camping, testing that out, filming, and throwing up a review of the hammock that I used on the Appalachian Trail. I can tell you now, I absolutely loved it. Will never go back to regular tent camping again if I can help it, as long as there's actually trees to put a hammock up in. And I sometimes camp, so I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to try to stay in a hammock. Anyways, see you guys later. Exciting stuff coming up. Benchmade. I'm just going to shout you guys out. You guys are awesome. Especially, I don't remember the guy's title. I don't really want to say his name, but you guys are awesome at Benchmade knives. See you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.